My name is Akuluga Ogene Prince. We are glad to give you the weekly reports from Cohort 12. And in this week, we are going to discuss about cryptographic hash functions,
Ethereum's virtual machine, and the concept of gas
wallets.
Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications through its native token called Ether. Some of the properties of Ethereum includes that it is not fundamentally localized, that is, it does not exist in like a single location, and it's not present on like a physical computer. Ethereum can provide as many accounts as we might need. So it provides like an infinite range of account creation. Ethereum uses the proof of stake consensus mechanism. Also, Ethereum has a built-in virtual machine called the Ethereum virtual machine that handles transactions within. The main smart contracts programming language of Ethereum is Solidity, and it was influenced by languages like JavaScript, C++, and Python. Ethereum also supports Turing-complete programming languages, and by Turing-complete programming languages, I mean programming languages that, for example, if we are trying to run a for loop that does not have like a condition that terminates it. So it kind of introduces attacks popularly known as DOS, the denial of service attacks, and Ethereum like solves this problem by introducing the concept of gas, such that every transaction that you want to carry out on the blockchain attracts a cost. So now gas is like the measurement of the computational effort that it takes the miners to mine your transaction, and then the fees that we now pay is what is known as gas fees.
Cryptographic hash function is a mathematical function that allows arbitrary length of inputs, then compress it into a fixed length of compressed numbers. So what are the properties of cryptographic hash functions? They are one-way hash functions. That determinism. You can't be able to use two words to get your cryptographic hash function, like your output. That is the basic properties of cryptographic hash functions. Avalanche effect too, whereby you can't be able to like any small input you insert, it automatically changes the output without you predicting it, because I mean a small input can make the output change completely. We actually use this cryptographic hash function to be able to encrypt our transaction details to the sender, so that the only way for them to actually get that is for them to decrypt it using their own private keys and digital signature to be able to decrypt it. That's why we basically need cryptographic hash function.
Wallets is a tool or like an electronic application that is used to manage and secure funds. It is used to hold your funds in cryptocurrencies and other digital assets on the blockchain network. So under wallets we have the public key and the private key. The private key is like a secret code that is used to manage your funds, secure your funds, and while the public key is the key used to generate wallet addresses. So basically private key is like a secret code that you have to keep safe in order to have access to your funds. Basically anybody that have access to your private key have access to your funds.